Hello everyone, it's Mahek Patel here. Let us do makeup together. So first I'm using a Pixie Glycolic Toner on my skin. And now I'm using Aqua Blast Moisturizer, which is a water-based moisturizer, and applying it with a brush on my super oily skin. Now I'm using e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer to my pores and merging it well so I can block my pores. Now I'm using mattifying primer from Just Gold and applying all over my face. Now I'm using concealer and blush palette from Fashion Fever to cover my under eyes and my pigmentations. After that, I'm using a Flirza Magic Drops in Just Gold foundation to get a flawless and even base. And now just blend and blend. The more you blend, the more even base you get. Now Tarte Shape Tape medium shade to enhance my cheekbones and my high points. Now I'm using Huda Beauty Banana Bread for baking with a so soft, howry, flawless. Now I'm using blusher from Fashion Fever blusher and concealer palette and blending it with a blender to get a natural blush look. After that, I'll be using Just Gold Contour palette and contouring my cheeks properly to get an enhanced look. And then I'm using an iMagic Touch palette, blusher palette on my cream blush. Now, after that, I'll be using an highlighter palette from Ferrero Rocher and blending my highlighter. See how beautiful it has been blended. After that, I'm using a MAC Studio Fix under my eyes properly to get a pure natural look and applying the brush all over my face. After that, I'll be using an eyebrow pomade from Anastasia. The shade is Deep Brow to shape my eyebrows. And look how beautiful it is looking. Oh my god. And then I'll be using Ferrero Rocher Kajal to get a little natural look. Now I'm using Fashion Fever mascara, a volume based mascara to make my lashes little popped out. How beautiful it is looking. Look. And then I'll be using a basic red lipstick to my lips and it goes boom. Wow. It is looking amazing. After that, to give a final touch, I'll be using a PAC micro fixer to my face. And see how beautiful my face is looking, and the liner gives the touch.